Hello, we're at the San Francisco School of Flower Design on Wednesday, third day of class. Here is some of their work lined up against the wall. Spectacular pieces. I said it looks like a Madison Avenue flower shop in here. Flower School 101. Let's talk to some of our contestants. If you don't want to be on film, tell me right now.
Oh, I do.
Yes, it's a good time to advertise your company. Who are you?
Oh, yeah, I'm Kim with Ivy Bin Flowers.
Where are you?
We're in Calaveras County.
Calaveras County? Where's that?
Calaveras, yeah. Up in the foothills, Sierra foothills, east of Stockton.
And you own a flower shop for how long?
Actually, I have a flower farm.
Oh.
Yeah, for 7 years.
You're a very, very good designer. Have you designed flowers before?
No.
You met me.
First time.
She lies. I don't know why she lies. These people come in here and they lie through their teeth. You cannot do this in 3 days, my darling.
Yes, 3 days.
You're funny. Yeah, your work has been stellar.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Who are you?
I'm Carlota.
Carlota, what are you going to do with your talents?
Work with you.
Sell flowers and work with me. I need her in my life. This is a girl who hurt her leg. And she's still managing to pull off beautiful design. What's your shop called? The Crippled Florist? What is it? I
I
forget.
don't have a shop. I've never done this before.
She's never done it
I'm trying to
before.
figure out if I want to.
And you can tell you've never done it before because you have these moments of struggle and then you come out fine. Trust me, you're better than I was.
Okay.
And look what happened to me. You're all much better than I was. Oh yeah.
You didn't have you.
I didn't have me as a teacher. I always say that. Wonderful, beautiful. Madison Avenue Flower Shop. Spectacular work today. It's only day 3.